friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're visiting the most photographed sites in Canada. Join us on our amazing trip to Peggy's Cove. On the eastern coast of Canada, a 1-hour drive away from Halifax stands the most photographed lighthouse in the world. It is known as Peggy's Point, centered around a small fisherman's village named Peggy's Cove. And here our journey begins. Yay, we're almost there! Did you know that Peggy's Cove 350 million years ago looked like the Himalayas? How? Well, two ancient landmasses called Maguma and Avalon collided, forming these mountains. And underneath these mountains was molten magma that cooled down into granite rock from crystallization. It soon was revealed due to erosion as the granite coastline we see today. Peggy's Lighthouse was built in 1915 on the granite outcrop called Peggy's Point. It replaced a wooden lighthouse built in 1868 and now is still in use and operated by Canadian Coast Guards. A newly built viewing deck was opened in October 18, 2021 for safe but still beautiful views. And so we headed to the viewing deck. There are many theories to how the name Peggy's Cove has evolved. One as such is as Peggy's Cove is the entrance to St. Margaret's Bay, and so it was named Margaret's Cove. It soon evolved to Peggy's Cove. Another theory is how a sole survivor named Margaret survived a shipwreck and settled in with a family. She soon then married their son. Be careful when you're on the rocks, as if you're on the dark rocks, you're too close to the water. Rogue waves had washed away many lives. It was a really nice day with wind blowing on your face and the sun shining so high. There were also many tourists and visitors. It was great. I hope you enjoyed this trip as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you next time. Bye!